Okay, this is what I'm doing right now. Um, I'm gonna do a simulation that is gonna be going to the center, so I can find out if the center that I marked last time is correct. So what I'm gonna do is I open the file that's the center, which is a G code. So I'm gonna run it, and it's gonna pause when it gets to the center. So this is how you do. I loaded the file, so I'm gonna run it, and the machine is gonna go to that position. So run, and as you can see, it's going. So it paused. It says that the program paused because it's gonna give me time to manually lower it to see if it's set the way I wanted it. So I'm gonna manually bring it down. Alright, right there you can see. So right now I'm manually bringing it down and see how close to the center I am of the last time. And it's probably a little bit off, but maybe it's pretty close. So I'm gonna leave it as being okay, centered. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it up manually. And what I'm gonna do, okay, it's high enough. You can see it's high enough. So I'm gonna continue the program here. I'm gonna say okay, and then continue. As soon as I hit the continue, it's gonna go back to the starting point. So I'm gonna hit it. Okay, so it's gonna go to the starting point. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna make a hole. I'm gonna put a screw here and another screw somewhere here. So when it's cutting it, it won't move it. So I'm gonna manually get it out of the way and screw it in. So I should have done that before. So anyway, I'm gonna pause it here and I'll come back when it's running. I'm gonna just do that. Okay, I loaded the program that is gonna cut the gear. It's ready to go. When I press that play button, it will move the machine on that path of the gear. So what I'm gonna show you here is, it's getting dark. Okay, as you can see, the tool is not touching it because I don't have the C control. I don't have control of the C axis. So what I do is I manually move the machine down to make the first layer cut. So I'm gonna turn the machine on. I'm gonna turn the router on. It's gonna make a lot of noise, so you won't be able to hear me, and I won't talk. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the router on, and then manually I'm gonna lower it, and then once it's barely lower, it's gonna do the first pass. When I run the program, it's gonna do the first pass, and that's all you're gonna hear, a lot of noise. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna turn it on here. So I'll turn it on. Well, I need to hook it up, I guess. Just give me a second. Let's plug it in. Okay, it's plugged. Where is it? here is plugged, so make sure you got some room for this. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on.